Where does Orcutt end and Santa Maria begin? The highway signs will show us on this drive north. We are traveling north on US 101, approaching Orcutt and the southern edge of Santa Maria. The sign ahead announces Union Valley Parkway, exit 166, an important connection serving the Orcutt area. We remain on US 101 North, leaving the Union Valley Parkway exit behind and continuing toward Santa Maria. Wide fields and softly colored hills stretch beside the highway beneath a bright, beautifully layered sky. Santa Maria Way appears next at exit 167, confirming that this drive is now reaching the southern side of the city. The open landscape creates a calm transition from the quiet countryside toward the everyday rhythm of Santa Maria. Sunlight slips through the clouds, bringing changing shades of blue, silver, and soft gold across the view. A Santa Maria city limit sign now confirms that we have officially entered the city while staying on US 101 North. Cultivated slopes, roadside trees, and distant mountains give this entrance to the city a spacious and refreshing character. Traffic gradually becomes busier, but the broad sky and distant hills keep the journey relaxed and uplifting. The Betaravia Road sign marks exit 169 and the final landmark in this section of our drive into Santa Maria. See you on the next road. Goodbye.